This is a 2012 Haas VF-3SS, July 2026. This machine has a 40 tool ATC, wireless probing, 4th and 5th ready, and Through-Spindle Coolant. It also has a chip auger. It's running right now at 4,000 RPM. It's not warmed up. I'm not going to take it all the way, but you can hear it's super quiet. It's 8,000. And it's back down to 4,000. Super quiet. I'm going to stop that. I can move the axes. X, Y. Z. I'll go ahead and make a tool change. Again. Pretty fast. Again, this is a 2012 Haas VF-3SS